So in this video, I will be guiding you through how to use Google Workspace as a virtual assistant so you can manage calendars, email, and documents efficiently for your clients. So first, what you will have to do is of course log into the client's Google Workspace account or use delegated access. Make sure that you have proper permission first. And next, what you will have to do is start with your Gmail, and you will have to create labels, filters, and canned responses for commonly sent replies. And after that, you will have to open your Google Calendar to manage events, create events, add guests, set reminders, and use events description to add meeting agendas or links. Then you will use Google Drive to organize client folders, create docs, and sheets and slides, and set sharing permissions like viewer, commenter, editor for collaborators. And finally, use Google Meet for video calls and integrate workspace apps with tasks and keep for daily to-dos. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.